Hi, everyone. Welcome to Wigsroyal channel. Very glad to see you again. Wigsroyal has been 22 years manufacturer experience on real human hair lace wigs, hair weaving, top closures, lace frontals, and so on since 1998. Now Wigsroyal products are exporting to 62 countries and regions. Thank you for your always supporting and trust that we will keep growing. Today, we'd like to introduce another item to you. Hope that you will love it. This is Ponytail hair extensions. For this product, the item known as MZ-072035-4, 100% premium quality Brazilian virgin healthy human hair, 18 inches. The hair color is natural color. And the texture is same curl as picture. Ponytail hair extensions are easy to put on, and come in different lengths, colors, and textures. For women with short hair, they're usually limited to one style, unlike long hair. When you've had enough of that one style, a ponytail is going to give you the flexibility to change your hairstyle as you please. You can choose the ponytails that exactly match your real hair in color and texture, or find a different color or texture gives you more of the look you want. Best of all, there's no glue used, or any sort of chemicals that can harm your hair. More of us, welcome to visit www.wigsroyal.com. Any suggestions, questions, or comments, welcome to write to info@wigsroyal.com. And please remember to subscribe us to get the latest hair trends, newsletters, company news, and so on. Thank you. See you next time.